The web settings defines how the platform's management interface and APIs are exposed to your network and how it maintains the integrity of user sessions. It is a critical layer that determines both the accessibility and the security posture of the administrative environment. The configuration begins with the host and port settings. These parameters establish where the web server listens for incoming requests, while the default configuration allows the server to accept connections from any available network interface. A more secure approach in production involves specifying a dedicated management IP. This ensures network isolation, restricting access to authorized administrative segments only. Choosing the right protocol, HTTP or HTTPS, is equally vital. While HTTP may suffice for local development or isolated testing, HTTPS is the requirement for secure operations. It provides an encrypted tunnel, protecting sensitive configuration data from being intercepted in transit. For environments where the management interface must interact with external web applications or custom dashboards, the CORS-enabled setting is used. Enabling cross-origin resource sharing allows the browser to securely request resources from different domains. If your architecture does not require such cross-domain interaction, keeping this disabled follows the principle of least privilege, reducing the potential attack surface. One of the most critical security parameters in this module is the client state password. This setting is responsible for the encryption and signing of the view state, a serialized object that tracks the state of the web interface on the client side. Without a strong, unique password, the view state remains vulnerable to tampering. If an attacker can intercept or predict the state saving mechanism, they could potentially inject malicious serialized Java objects. As highlighted by security research, a misconfigured or unencrypted view state can lead to severe remote code execution vulnerabilities, allowing an unauthorized user to execute arbitrary commands on your server. By default, our products are shipped with a standard client state password. While this ensures the encryption engine is active out of the box, it also means that the default key is technically public knowledge for anyone familiar with the platform. To truly harden your system, it is essential to change this to a custom, complex string. Doing so ensures that the secret used to sign your session data is unique to your installation, effectively neutralizing the risk of state injection attacks. How to configure host. Enter the IP address the web server should bind to. Use 0.0.0.0 to listen on all interfaces, or define a specific local IP to restrict access to a particular network segment. Port. Assign the TCP port for web traffic. Default is 28080. Ensure the selected port is open in your firewall and not occupied by another system service. Protocol selection. Choose between HTTP and HTTPS. If you switch to HTTPS, ensure that valid SSL/TLS certificates are uploaded in the security module to establish a secure handshake. CORS. Set this to yes if you need to allow browser-based requests from different domains, e.g., a custom external API dashboard. Set to no for standard standalone operation to enhance security. Client state password. Input a unique, high-entropy alphanumeric string. Replacing the default factory password is a mandatory step to protect the system against view state deserialization and RCE attacks.